Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. There's no top or bottom to the water panel. Simply slide it into the scale control insert like this. Here's a distribution tray. This side here with a little loop must be on the same side as the floats. So I'm going to snap this into position. Now we're going to take the float cover, install the floats in it, snap it into position. There are two snaps, one on each side. They must be engaged. Again, there's a little loop here. That must face the same side as the floats. This side will now go towards the inside of the humidifier. This side will go towards the furnace or ductwork. The assembly is now ready to be installed inside of your AprilAire humidifier. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.